Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we have WhatsApp business, and if you ever had problem with your connectivity of your WhatsApp, especially with your calls from your WhatsApp business or your WhatsApp messenger. So if you ever had problems related to your WhatsApp calls, you must check these settings. So the first settings I'm going to show you now, it's in your WhatsApp. Head into your WhatsApp, we have three dots on the corner. Here we have settings. In the settings we have storage and data. So here we have this option, use less data for calls. So I normally keep it off. Actually it was off and I am gonna keep it off. So use less data for calls, you must keep it off, and that's how you're gonna get the better quality of your WhatsApp calls. The second settings you must check, it's in your settings. So drag down the menu from the top, get into your settings. In the settings you'll find apps. Here we can find WhatsApp business. So it's supposed to be at the end of the list. So here we have WhatsApp business. So here in the permission you must make sure that you have call logs, camera, contacts, location, everything is allowed in this WhatsApp section. So your WhatsApp must have access into the services, microphone, especially your SMS and your phone. And you must make sure that in this not allowed section you almost have nothing. So the third settings I want to talk about, it's in your mobile data. So here you must make sure that allow background data usage is always on and allow data usage while data saver is on. So you must keep these settings on in your WhatsApp to get the most out of your WhatsApp, and that's how you're gonna have better communication from your WhatsApp. So that's all in this video, and thank you for watching. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.